Hey family, how you all doing? So I saw this video and I thought to share because it made a lot of sense. In life, everybody has who they will love and who they will be naturally drawn to. So love everybody as an individual, but don't force yourself on anybody. Love them because God is love. And it's the conclusion of the matter that we should love our neighbors as ourselves. So love everybody, but don't force yourself. When you are giving love and it's not coming back the same way you want it, you don't have to physically be putting yourself in that situation. Just love the person from afar and wish them no evil. So thank you for watching and watch this video to the end. Please tell a friend about Esther's Chronicles TV. We're all about inspiring, motivating, spreading joy, and encouraging others to do the same. So please like, share, and drop me a comment. I love to read your comments. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.
Wah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Yes, we go motivate you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Content will go benefit you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Subscribe, make you elevate your mind. And make sure you like, drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Sure you go like them. Oh yeah, I go like them. Oh yeah. Sure you go comment. Oh yeah, my side comment. Oh yeah. Sure you go subscribe. Oh, and make sure you like. Oh, drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter